Imagine this. You're standing in a security line at the airport watching other travelers move through like they know something you don't. Your back is aching, you're worried about making your gate, and you have no idea that there are at least 7 benefits designed specifically for you that could completely transform your travel experience. That's right, 7 hidden advantages that most seniors never discover. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what they are and how to use them starting with your very next flight. Welcome to Senior Travel Unlocked, where we help people over 60 discover the benefits that airlines and airports have been quietly offering for decades. If you're planning to fly anywhere in the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, or Australia, this video is absolutely essential. You're about to learn secrets that could save you hours of stress, hundreds of dollars, and give you a travel experience that feels genuinely luxurious instead of exhausting. So stick around because the first advantage is going to blow your mind. Let's start with something most seniors don't even know exists. When you arrive at the airport, you have the legal right to special security screening. This isn't a rumor or something you have to ask for quietly. This is an official TSA policy, and it applies whether you're traveling domestically or internationally from a major airport. Here's what happens. If you're 62 or older in the United States, you can ask the security officer at the checkpoint if you qualify for expedited screening. You don't have to go through the full body scanner. You don't have to remove your shoes, your belt, or your light jacket. You can keep your dignity, your comfort, and your time. In Canada, the CBSA offers similar considerations for seniors. The UK and Australia have comparable programs as well. But here's the thing that surprises people. You have to ask. The TSA isn't going to stop you and say, "Hey, you look like you." The second perk that seniors consistently miss is priority boarding. And I want to explain this one carefully because there's a real strategy here. Most airlines offer what they call pre-boarding for passengers who need extra time to board an aircraft. This category explicitly includes seniors and people with mobility challenges. When you book your flight, especially online, there's a section where you can request boarding assistance or note that you're traveling with mobility challenges. You don't have to be in a wheelchair. You don't have to be visibly disabled. You just need to let the airline know that boarding during the standard group would be stressful or difficult. What happens next is genuinely wonderful. When boarding begins, your name is called early. You board with the people who need the most help getting on the plane. This means you have your pick of overhead bin space. You're not climbing over people. You're not rushing. You're not stressed. And for people traveling with partners or family members, here's the secret. Many airlines allow one companion to board with you during this pre-boarding period. So instead of one person stressed and the other person waiting, you both get this calm, dignified entry onto the aircraft. But again, you have to request this. It doesn't happen automatically on most airlines, which is why so many seniors never experience it. Now we're moving into something that genuinely changes the entire airport experience, and this is perk number 3, wheelchair assistance and mobility support. Now, I want to be very clear about something. You don't have to be permanently disabled or unable to walk to use this service. Many seniors experience arthritis, joint pain, or simply get tired from walking long distances through airports. And that's exactly what this service is designed for. When you check in for your flight, ask the agent about wheelchair assistance. You can request it in advance when you book, or you can ask. Perk number 4 is something that almost nobody talks about, and it's about airport lounges. Now, lounge access sounds like a luxury for rich business travelers, right? But seniors have multiple ways to access lounges for free or extremely cheap. First, many airlines offer free lounge access to passengers over a certain age traveling in premium cabins. If you're flying business or first class, which some seniors do for longer international flights, ask your airline about lounge privileges. But here's the real hack. Credit card companies and frequent flyer programs often offer lounge access as a benefit. If you have status with an airline from previous travel, you might already have lounge access and not know it. Even if you're not a frequent flyer, many airlines offer day passes for airport lounges for between $15 and $50. In a lounge, you're sitting down. You have free food and beverages. The bathrooms are cleaner and less crowded. There's usually quiet space to rest before your flight. For seniors who find airports overwhelming or stressful, spending $30 on a few hours of peace and comfort is one of the best travel investments you can make. Call your airline before your flight and ask what lounge options are available to you. You might be surprised. We're at perk number 5, and this one is about something that causes real anxiety for older travelers: baggage handling and heavy luggage assistance. Here's the truth that airlines don't advertise loudly. You don't have to lift your own bags. If your bags are heavy, if you have mobility challenges, or if you simply don't want to struggle with luggage, tell the agent at check-in that you need baggage assistance. They will handle your bags from check-in all the way to the baggage claim area. You don't touch them. You don't lift them. You don't worry about them. This is a free service that's available at virtually every commercial airport. Additionally, many airlines now offer paid baggage.